Alrighty, well, I forgot my mount. I actually need that out for my timer. I forgot my tripod to set up because I was going to set up because I don't have the GoPro, so I figured I'd get some third person down here at a mall parking lot, ripping it up around here where no one is, so. I'll try and keep it in the center over here. I don't know how much the camera will be able to actually pick it up. Hey. Ripping by. Make this thing fly up there. It's an entirely different monster with the torso. Oh, that's probably the lowest loop I've ever done. I'm trying to do it for the camera. I'm going to crash this thing trying to get good shots on the camera. I haven't had a real crash yet, so it's about time, huh? I'm a right-handed roller, I can tell you that. I almost always roll to the right. I feel like it's just rolls to the left just the same. It's not like it rolls any worse to one side or the other. I think it's just habit. It's easier. It feels weird. Ooh. Wasn't very smooth on that. Ooh, another one. This is too much fun. That was a cool dive. Ooh. Almost nosed her down into the...